Hey guys, it's January 8th, 2018. First video of the year. Um, it's kind of sunny this morning. So this is the first garden update. As you can see right here, the crimson clovers are still flowering very slowly. As you can see, only the base has opened. The cosmos, I think, is still here. Plain corpses are still flowering. Lily, Venus flytrap looks pretty much the same. No growth. And these guys all look pretty much the same. And then here, the lacy Phacelia, they all look the same, not really doing anything. Saffron crocus are coming up. Don't see any flowers yet, but the leaves are coming up. And you can kind of see there's more sprouting. Can't really see from here. It's not focusing. Right there. You can, see that little sprout over there. This hydrangea transplant, I think this one is gonna make it. Oops. This one is gonna make it. You can see the side axillary growth right there. It's dormant. However, these two are not gonna make it. They're all rotten now, and it's soft. The axillary bud is soft. Artichokes, still a bunch of aphids. I just don't really know what to do. I'll just let them be there for a little bit. And then these other plants are all dormant now. Don't really see anything. Strawberries are pretty much dormant too. Don't really see any new growth actually. And some of the leaves are turning colors. And then, everything looks pretty much the same. Catnip, still here, which is awesome. Maybe I don't need to plant a new one next year. And right here we have the grape hyacinth. You can see some sprouts right here. And then right here there's another one. So they're coming up. And then the other bulbs, I don't really see anything over here. Daffodils, don't really see anything yet. And then summer snowflakes, don't see anything. Right here, hyacinth, nothing. Crocus, nothing. Crocus 2, nothing. Snowdrops. You can see this variety is coming up. There's flowers. You can kind of see the flowers and the leaves coming up. And then the other varieties of snowdrops aren't coming up. This right here is coming up. I think this is a tulip. And nothing here. Hydrangea flowers are still here. They're all dormant now, the big hydrangea too. And then right here, the lavender, you can see some older leaves are dying back. Flowers are still here though. Pretty nice. I like the purple. And the rosemary, you can see some leaves death too. Like this one, it's dying. I don't know why. Hopefully this whole plant's gonna survive. It's kind of tricky. And as for the indoor garden, the orchids are doing well. You can see right here, this one, the flower is coming up. Leaves are doing well. This one, you can see this one side of the plants are dying back, However, the other side, there's this new growth right here. It's coming up slowly. These guys are all doing well. And then there's 2 other orchids. New growth still coming up. Snake plants, don't see any new growth yet. Prayer plants right here, and then that new growth I mentioned last time, it's coming up right there. You can kind of see it. And the staghorn fern still here. This leaf is still here. Looks cool. I think it's still getting kind of bigger. And then the string of pearls, you can see only 2 strings left. Hopefully these 2 are gonna survive. These other succulents are all pretty much the same. And then right here we have the Ficus tree. When I got back, I could saw some of the leaves falling. Here's one of them. Let me show it to you. Right here. Here's a dead leaf. Some of the leaves are falling. I think it's because I haven't turned on the growth lights since I'm gone. And this orchid over here is doing well. Spider plants looks pretty much the same. A little bigger though. And then this pine tree over here is still doing well. And then this, forgot the name of these, but they're all doing well. And then the succulents I took off from the ficus. It's still here. Kind of want them to dry a little bit. And right here, this other succulents are all doing well. Another staghorn fern, another fern, and then this guy is doing well. Hoya plants looks pretty much the same. I don't see any new growth. No death as well, so that's good. And then this big prayer plants is doing well too. You can kind of see the leaves are getting smaller at the top. It's probably because of the season. There's not as much light.